Number one, if you have skill of any carpenter carpenter work, so you can do any type of carpenter.
If you have no knowledge, then what will you do?
If you have skill, we don't need knowledge. We want skill. We have skill.
But skill comes in knowledge.
No, skill is different. Knowledge is different. Knowledge is about knowing about. Let's suppose we take about carpenting. That knowledge is you know about carpenting, you know everything. But skill is you do everything with the instruments. You cut wood with the what is the instrument? I don't know the name. The cutting of the wood is called the skill. But we know that this wood is very good. The quality of this wood is good. This wood is not good. This wood is good for bed. This is not good for bed. So this is called knowledge about.
But knowledge is important for that when you will go anywhere that there is knowledge but there is no skill.
No, how if you take the example of engineer, so engineer they have knowledge but they don't have skill. But if you have skill, so you can do anything. If you talk about the online work, if you have skill of online business, so you can.
Let me complete. But it is you are saying that it is a skill. But now you are saying that the engineer has anything made. He has a skill, but he has also knowledge.
I'm not getting it.
I am saying as if that knowledge is important for us, so that engineer has a skill. So the skill in the thermometer.
Yes.
It is an engineer.
So we don't need to know about knowledge. So we have skills. So why we should know about knowledge?
But I am saying that knowledge is important for us.
You prove it. Why knowledge is important? I have explained about the carpenter with the carpenting examples. So
I am saying that if you have knowledge that you can go forward in anything, that if you have a skill that you can not go forward. If you have a skill that you can go not forward.
So skill is important. So why knowledge? You are talking about the skill. If you have skill,
I am not talking about the skill. I am talking about the knowledge. If you have knowledge that you can do anything, that
no. If you know about the anything, no. If you know about the mobiles, you just know about the mobiles. This is mobile. You know everything about mobile, but you don't have to. But you don't have skill to repair the mobile. So what will you do?
But in mobile, there is a knowledge. In mobile, that when you will open the mobile, there in everything in the knowledge.
Okay, so if you don't have skill, if you don't know that which instrument should I use for this chip, so what would you do? So skill is important. So let's suppose you are doing skill work for 1 or 2 years. So you would definitely know that how to fix this mobile and how to fix that mobile.
But if you have knowledge, you have education, that you can apply in the job. That why important for us the skill. That if we have a current anything, that why important for us the skill. Skill why important for us.
Skill everywhere. If you go everywhere, everything requires skill, not knowledge about that thing. If you have skill of that thing, so you would be hired. If you have knowledge, you don't know that how to do work this, so you would not be hired.
If you have a knowledge that it is my opinion that if you have a knowledge that you can do the skill.
No, you can do anything without knowledge. You can do other things.
But
there are so many things which you can do without knowledge.
I can do not in the knowledge anything. Anything I can do.
How
Without the skill.
No, you must require the skill. If you you would not have the skill, so you cannot do. If you have the knowledge about things, I know knowledge is important, but skill is more important.
But
skill is more important than the knowledge.
Let me complete. If you have a skill, but I have a knowledge, if you in the letter in the mobile, that if you have a skill that you have no knowledge about that, how can you read the letter? I skill, but you have a no knowledge, you have no education. But in the mobile there is a letter. But if you have a skill, but you can't read.
No, I'm talking about fixing of mobile. I'm not talking about the reading letter or something. I'm talking about the other thing, like if your mobile is not working, so how to fix your mobile? How to fix your mobile? Then which chip is not working, which chip is working? So you must know that you must require skill for.
But listen to me. If doctor has no skill, but he has education, he read anything, but after that he doctor, that what is the skill in the doctor?
Skill, no. If you talk about the surgeon doctor works with instruments. So he also works with instruments. If you don't know about the anything, so how he will do operation of any person?
But he can check, but he has no skill.
There are so many things which we do with knowledge, but mostly the things things require skill. Most of the things.
In my opinion, that knowledge is important for us. That anything we can do, but skill is not important for us.
Give me an example that you are saying your knowledge is important, skill is not important. So give me an example.
But already I am saying that you can do anything without the skill.
So give me the example. I'm saying that if you will give me example, so I would be agree to you. I'm not agreeing to you. So give me the example.
We can do job without the skill.
If you don't have this, if you don't know how about that job, if you don't know that, if you are working as a, let's suppose if you are working as a about anything mechanic, if you are working as a mechanic, so if you don't have skill to do the mechanic work, so you if you have knowledge but you don't have skill, so you cannot do the work.
I can know that everyone who can go in the army, they have no skill, but he has a knowledge.
They can say the army person don't have the skill. They are more skilled than a layman. They are more skilled than
which is skill in the army, please.
They are very skillful person than us.
You can give me proof.
Yes. If you talk about any commissioned officer, they also have skill. But they are also skilled.
Which commission officer, which skill?
No, there are several skills which they have, but how can I say that they have the skills?
But commission officer has the knowledge, so that they can do commission. If in ultra person he has a skill, but he has no knowledge, then how he can do job?
No, he can do job. He can do other things. Like we are not talking about the army. We are talking about other things. There are also other things in the life. We can do also other things. We are not just talking about the army.
But I can, so that I am saying that you have a skill, but you have a knowledge that you can go everywhere if you have knowledge. That which person go without the knowledge go. Which person go out without the education knowledge?
Out where foreign? You are talking about the foreign countries.
Any country. Who person?
If that person is very skilled, if we know that how to do that work, so definitely the foreigner would hire him.
But too much person has no skill. That they are wanting that the educated person and knowledgeable person are good.
No, knowledge is also has its own importance, but I am saying that skillful person is more able than a knowledge person, a person who has knowledge.
How you can say that?
I am giving you so many examples, so
So that I am saying that knowledge person is good than skill.
they are, what can I say that?
Thank you. So nice.